Okay, everyone, so we're headed outside, front door, and get ready because here they are. Yeah, they are going crazy. It's been a couple of days since last time I did the video on these Harlequin David Austins, and I wanted to wait a little bit longer just to show y'all all the rest of the buds that are ready to go, because I love the way this rose bush blooms. It creates like clusters of roses, and it looks like bouquets. But with such unexpected weather, the wind picking up, rain, here's Brother Catfill, guys, I decided to go ahead and show y'all, just because I don't want the roses to end up just falling off, and then there's nothing, you know, nothing to show you guys. So like this one right here, it has a lot more, so it would start creating like a little bouquet. This one right here is doing it, but as y'all can tell, the blooms are starting to fade away already. But look how pretty they look. See, that's what I want to show y'all. Let me see. Bear with me here, guys. This is a new, pretty much new one right now. How pretty that is. They start changing, and they all just start changing into so many different looks. They have different colors, the shades. This one's actually a new one. I thought it was about to fall off, but no, it's new. That's new for me. I haven't seen it open like that. So there's always a surprise out here with them, and that's why I just love them. Even as they're fading off, right here there's one that's going to start fading off. It just changes so much and so beautiful. I'll go ahead and put more pictures of them so y'all can see the changes they take, the stages of their bloom. That's one thing that I love. This one's so pretty. Look at that, guys. That's one thing I love about these roses, that they just do a lot of changes. This one right here, Brother Catfill, has just been doing amazing. Its bloom just seems to be getting bigger and bigger every time it's giving us flowers. So this one's a new one right here. It's taking its time to open, but it just looks so pretty. This one's the last one, the last stage right here. You see that though? It still has a very pretty color. The petals, it just looks beautiful in there. To me, I feel like I'm looking at a painting every time I look at roses, the petals. Okay, so this is what's going on with them right now. We will be showing y'all what's going on with them as they're blooming, but we will go ahead and sit down and just talk a little bit about them and how come we love them so much. So okay, guys, we see you in a little bit.
This was the first roses that we started our bed off with this spring. We just wanted to repeat that they have been awesome. If you plan on getting roses, if you thought about getting roses, there's all types of varieties out there, different types. We've dealt with roses in the past. We had some roses here last year, and we found that so far these roses are pretty much maintenance free. And when I say maintenance free, I'm talking about, you know, the treatments of maybe some insects here and there and stuff like that. Last year we just had a lot of difficulties with you know, Japanese beetles, the black spot, and a whole bunch of other stuff. But
yeah,
these roses have just been amazing. Just wanted to get that out there and let people know that the David Austin roses are probably so far the best roses that we've.
Especially for somebody that has just started gardening like us. Like my husband said, we had actually some other ones before that we have in the back, and we went through so much problems with them, and we really didn't get to enjoy them that much because it was more treating them than actually being able to enjoy them. So this has been amazing for us, and that's why we are so excited and want to share with y'all about them, just how much it's not just them coming back all of a sudden for us, because we didn't even expect to have anything to show you guys at all. We thought we were done and we're gonna have to wrap it up for the season, but that's why we were excited too. But they gave us just so much surprises, and they're still surprising us. So
Yep. So speaking of how well they've done, so the roses we had in here last year, had they gone through what these roses have gone through this year, they probably wouldn't have bounced back. Being so close to the coast with the salt water and all that in the air, they probably would have just been riddled with black spot and losing leaves. We had some bare stems last year. This year it's just been amazing. I mean,
they're filling out.
So
yeah,
2 weeks after this hurricane, they just completely filled out. All right, guys, so a little bit about the care. What we did to these roses was we used some rose tone fertilizer from Espoma. After the first blooming, we deadheaded them, laid some fertilizer down. Then the beginning of summer, we laid some more fertilizer down. They've done absolutely amazing. We deadheaded them anytime they expend their blooms. Just a quick little tip for some of the bigger stems that I deadheaded, I use some regular Elmer's glue just to cap that off so it doesn't get any kind of disease from the rainwater or anything like that. But yeah, it's pretty much, like I say, maintenance free, and they've just done amazing. So you think David Austin lives up to his name?
Yes, and that was something that we wanted to figure out on our own, because as we started this whole journey of gardening, we keep on repeating, it's new to us. We just wanted to know why are they a big deal? Well, they're very easy care, and you do get to enjoy them, and they're just amazing roses. So we will definitely be getting more of these in the future.
So once again, guys, we're going to close out this video with some nice shots from our roses and show you what they've gone through from beginning to end.